Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to add or remove folders from this PC in Windows 10. I want to remove 3D objects folder from this PC. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version. Click and expand Explorer. Click and expand My Computer. Click and expand Namespace. Registry key value is given in description. Right-click key, delete. Click Yes to delete key. Close and exit registry editor. "3D objects successfully removed from this PC." Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.